Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Zoho Books. Zoho Books, found at https://www.zoho.com/books, is a comprehensive online accounting software solution designed to streamline financial management for businesses of all sizes. It offers a wide array of features, from basic bookkeeping functions like invoicing and expense tracking to more advanced capabilities such as inventory management and financial reporting. This makes it a versatile tool adaptable to various business needs. One of Zoho Books' strengths is its user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate even for those without a strong accounting background. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your finances, allowing you to quickly assess key metrics and identify areas requiring attention. Customizable reports provide deeper insights into your business's financial performance, helping you make informed decisions. Furthermore, Zoho Books integrates seamlessly with other Zoho applications and third-party services, extending its functionality and streamlining workflows. This interconnectivity allows for a more holistic approach to business management, centralizing data and reducing manual data entry. Examples of these integrations include CRM platforms, payment gateways, and banking institutions. This cohesive ecosystem significantly enhances the platform's value proposition. Beyond core accounting features, Zoho Books offers additional tools designed to optimize financial processes. These include features like project time tracking, which allows you to accurately monitor and bill for project-related expenses, and contact management, enabling you to maintain organized records of your clients and vendors. The platform also provides robust security measures to protect sensitive financial data, giving users peace of mind. Features like two-factor authentication and data encryption ensure that your financial information remains confidential and secure. Finally, Zoho Books offers various pricing plans to cater to different budgets and business requirements, making it an accessible solution for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or managing a larger enterprise, there's likely a plan suitable for your needs. Be sure to check out their website at https://www.zoho.com/books for the latest pricing details and to explore the full range of features offered by Zoho Books.